Hey everyone, thanks for coming back. This is Eric with Lobocom Services, and in today's video we're talking about how to use Python to update MySQL. In the some other videos we used Python to delete data, and now we're going to use it to update data in the database. So on your screen you're going to see a revision of the form. The two columns that I had in a previous video, in my delete video, I had edit and delete. Well, here I'm having these blank, and this just adds a little bit of character to it by making these columns smaller, and the two columns to the left, and put edit. It makes it look a little bit nicer. So here my focal point is first name and city, and here are my deletes. And so if I want to delete, I can delete this one, and if I want to add a new record, um, again, this is a Python and HTML example, so we're at the link in the description below, and I'm going to add another one. Let's say the person's name is Linda from Missouri. Linda from Missouri, submit. And I'm adding this person. Record added. Great. And now, okay, so, anyway, so now we're talking about editing. So if I take this one, I want to edit it. It goes up here, and we're gonna display the currently clicked on record inside of this box up here, saying Mary, and let's say we want to add some stuff to her name, like a last name, or we want to put that in another column, but anyway, it's good enough for this example. And then we click edit, and Mary Sinclair shows up down here at the bottom. It's from San Juan. And I could do the same thing with Gavin. All this good stuff, Huntsville. Okay, so here is the the description. Okay, if you click down there in the link below, the comment below if you have any questions, and if you have any, if you want to go view the code, come out to Python and HTML examples, click down there in the description box below. Okay, for this example, we have the title, update, provider, good to go. Our global variables here, like we saw in the other videos, we have username and password and database. We're importing the three class modules, MySQL DB, OS, and CGI, and CGI ITB. So those are Python modules. And here on my diff, okay, what you're going to see is a little bit different from previous videos. I was using the slice function, and this one is a little bit easier to see and to handle. Okay, use this CGI parse, and I'm parsing up parameters. So for instance, let's see if I probably close out of this. No, I didn't. Good to go. So I'm getting my query string, which is like it has action and ID. Here, and then so with this CGI.parse parse as the params, I just label the param here that I want to get, and then the equals, what's ever after the equal sign. So that makes it really nice. This is probably some of the stuff I just deleted. So let's refresh the page. Yeah, now you don't see it. It's good. So again, this is again my part of the parameters, my query string, the ID, whatever the ID is, and whatever the action is. So it's short and sweet. My action. Okay, in previous videos, you've probably seen the delete. We delete the value. If we create the value, again, the form values, all this good stuff. Okay, edit. If I have just click on edit, I'm just going ahead and passing whatever the argument is of my edit text. Again, you'll see that in the query link below. Ooh. You see that at the bottom left hand corner. Okay, if I hover over edit, you see the ID equals 39. ID is equal to whatever the Mary Sinclair is, 31. And edit. You see I'm passing the action, the edit action. Here I'm passing the delete action, 42. I'm passing the current ID and the action to the back to the page. So if you have any questions on that, leave me in the comments below. So this is my edit action. So that's good to go. Now when I update, okay, the form passes my update param. So when I edit the record, let's see, and my action is update, as you can see that right here. Action equals update. So I catch that whenever it submits back to the form, it's going to come down, it's going to read the action property. So the action property is, the action parameter is update, and then I use my C drive field storage, kind of like it did in the add or the create action, and then I get the values from those boxes, form values. And I'm using this procedure here. Now, new procedure I defined, update values, similar to my create, but remember, I'm just putting them, they're just easier to handle, easier to diagnose, troubleshoot problems, if I do have problems. And I'm passing some values down here, update, and that, and what am I updating? I'm passing down here, one of my arguments is arg. Okay, that's pretty cool to know. Sorry, but the color changed here. But so you're passing down arg. Basically, I'm getting arg from whatever I'm passing. Okay, the ID, because I'm doing an update. So a typical update procedure, update SQL is like update this where it equals something, where PRV ID equals that. So I want to know, I don't want to update everybody, I just want to update that one row. So I'm passing that argument to the procedure. The two values that I'm updating, and these two values are in the database, and this is which ID am I updating. So here I'm going in doing my SQL update, TBL providers, said PRV first name equal to the parameter, PRV city, the parameter where PRV ID equals the parameter. And then what are the parameters? Like current, updating the SQL and passing it parameters, first name, city, and the argument. So that's good. It's kind of like HTML5. Kind of like HTML5 with these parameters. So very, very nice. And so update values, and of course these other procedures I didn't have to use that. So that's about all. How to update, how to use Python to update MySQL. So thanks for your attention. Hopefully you got some value from this video. And if you go to this, go to Python and HTML examples, go to the post, and I'm sure that you can copy it, paste it, follow some of the first videos where I created a MySQL database. And if you have any problems with it, go ahead and contact me. And make sure that if you do need some help with this, you can either contact me or hire me to do some of this work for you. Thanks for your attention, and I'll talk to you in the next video. Bye bye.